Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is October 2352 variant question number 2. And George has a 5-sided spinner with face 1, 2, 3, 4 labeled here. He spins the spinner and notes the number on the side spinner lands. Okay. Find the probability it takes fewer than 7 spin to the George to obtain a 5. So we talk about when he gets a 5. Okay. So we can think about it. It is we can work with because he said that fewer than seven. How we can do fewer than seven technique? Because if I show you number line system, you will understand easily, inshallah. So actually, this is a topic of what is called geometrical probability. Because we obtain a 5, our probability is 5. So let's start, and we count always from 1 to never count from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and 9 continue forever. Okay. And because he said fewer than 7, so fewer than 7 means 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you know it very well, the sum of the all values is 1. So which I don't want, 7, 8, 9 forever, I don't want. Can I call these values more than 6 or not? Exactly more than 6. So I can say that our probability is equals to 1 minus more than 6. And do you know, students, we have a special formula. P, if we have equals to R comes probability X is equals to R. Okay. We formula Q to power R minus 1 into P. But when formula is more than R, then Q to power R. And now this is a more than R. So I can use 6 will go in the power. And that's it. But first of all, what is a P and what is Q? Because because our concern is 5, and how many 5s are there? 1 5 is there. So probability of favor is 1 out of 5, and not favor 4 out of 5. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. So Q to power is 6, and if we check it in calculator, answer turned to be 0.738. First part completely over. George spins the spinner 10 times now. Okay, when he mentioned the total 10 times, in geometrical probability, observe n is never given. N is never given. N is not given. But in a binomial probability, which formula is, you know it very well, NCR, Q to power R minus 1 into P to power R. So let me check difference of, no, sorry, wait a minute. The formula is here Q to power n minus r into P to power r. And geometric and binomial probability always start from 0. Make sure there's a very important difference between them. He said this total are 10 numbers, so it means n, this is part B I'm doing, part A done. So n is 10. He said that he obtained 5. So again, my probability of this is favor is 1 upon 5, and Q is 4 upon 5. What happens out of 10 throws fewer than 8. Wait a minute. He said that the probability he obtains 5 or more. Sorry, 5 or more. So still the condition is clearly changed. This means this PQ is wrong then. So P obtain a 5 or more, 5, obtain a 5 more than 4 times, but fewer than 8 times. So it means we have to, yeah, I think that's correct. It was correct. So there's P value is, that was correct. P values was 1 over 5. Q is 4 upon 5. But he said fewer than, more than 4 and less than 8. So if I show you, this is maybe idea is clear, less than 8 and more than 4. So let me check again, more than 4 and less than 8. So if I do it on a number line system, students, so let's see what happens. Total are 10, very simple, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Why I wrote 10? Because n is 10. Okay, now he said what a story we have to cover. We have to say because between 4 and 8. So it means 7 I need, 6 I need, 5 I need. So three things Three things I need, okay? Three values I need. So that is why I have to use R value one time. One time R value is 5, one time R value is 6, and one time R value is 7. And I will use binomial formula, and I think this formula is clear. And question going to finish 10C5, two brackets, plus 10C6, two brackets, and 10C7, two brackets. Each first bracket, we get a Q value. Make sure the chance of mix-up, so Q will come in each first bracket and 105 will go in second bracket. I believe this is nothing hard to understand. And power 10 minus 5 and 5, 10 minus 6 and 6, 10 minus 7 and 7. And if we check it in calculator, so 1 minute, let me recheck. Yeah. So answer is coming finally 0.0327. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, question is completely over.